Good morning, good evening, good night, whenever you guys are watching this channel. First, subscribe. You know, me and my wife, we went to a bar yesterday. It's a sushi bar and restaurant. And we had a few drinks. And we was in there about 10 minutes. And then these three people walked in, this lady and two guys walked in and sat at the bar with us. And we was just having a nice conversation, introduced ourselves and everything. And out of the blue, this lady, she was kind of drunk before she got in the bar, and she started talking about the vaccinated and unvaccinated people, saying that everybody should be vaccinated, that she was fully vaccinated. She would not allow her 3-year-old son to be around people that are unvaccinated. And if you're not vaccinated, you cannot come to her house. All her friends she hang around will be vaccinated. She was just going on and on. She said, and if you are not vaccinated and you get sick, you deserve to be sick. And I looked at this lady and I said, me and my wife are unvaccinated. I said, we had COVID in February 2021. And we go to the doctor or to Quest and get our antibodies test every 3 to 4 months. And we have great antibodies. And I said, we're not against vaccinated or unvaccinated people. You make your choices, you make the decision. I said, we're just waiting for them to do research. I said, we are not anti-vax, and we're not against that. If you're vaccinated, that's good. And she was going on and on saying, well, if you guys get sick, you deserve to be sick. I said, we've already been sick and we're fine. We got over it. We got antibodies. I said, my wife looked at her and my wife don't say much. And she just got fed up with this lady. This lady just kept going on and on. And you know, this lady said one other thing, what really got my wife pissed off. This lady said, well, I'm well educated and I know that people need to be vaccinated. And my wife looked at her. She said, as soon as you walked in here, she said, you know that probably 50 or 70% of the people are not vaccinated. You're in Texas. So you got a chance of getting COVID, even if you're vaccinated or not vaccinated. You got a chance of getting COVID. The lady said, well, you'll get a better chance of getting COVID if you're not vaccinated. So y'all should get vaccinated. So my wife said, you're in here with all these people. You can get COVID even if you are vaccinated and take this home to your child. Not that you're getting it from unvaccinated people. You can get it from people that are vaccinated. And she was going on and on. And my wife said another thing. You say you are well educated. She said, have you ever seen a billionaire sit around a bar or sit around telling everybody that they're billionaires? No, they don't tell people that they're billionaires. So you going around telling people you're well educated, that tells me something. You're really not educated. Oh boy, she got upset and all that. So I told my wife, don't worry about this lady. She just talking out the side of her head. She just, you know, sometimes these people get stuck on the news watching CNN, ABC, whatever. And so they believe that everybody should be vaccinated. She don't know how to have educated conversation. She don't know how to agree and disagree and go on about her business. So we stayed there a little while longer and we left. We told them bye, you know. We was friends at first, but I think when we left, I don't think we were really friends then. But anyway, I woke up this morning and as soon as I looked at my phone, it says Queen Elizabeth has come down with COVID. So the Queen of England, and she's been fully vaccinated since January of 2021. She had all her boosters. And you know the Queen, I'm saying that anybody that's coming around the Queen probably have to be fully vaccinated. So the Queen, which is fully vaccinated, come down with COVID. So that should tell you something right there. You don't have to be vaccinated or unvaccinated. The vaccinated people are coming down with COVID just as much as the unvaccinated people. So if the Queen could come down with COVID and she's fully vaccinated, this lady in the bar last night, she could come down with COVID and take this home to a 3-year-old son. So I just wanted to share this with you guys. I don't know these people, some people, and we've had conversations with people before, and we agreed to disagree. It was okay. But this lady, she was stuck in her words, and she said, hey, she believed that everybody should be vaccinated, period. She says she's well educated on this stuff. But anyway, I wanted to share this with you guys. Sometimes, it's just better to walk off from people like that, because you're not going to get nothing through to these people. My wife's a nurse. We do research and stuff like that, but we're not going to go around telling people that we are really educated on this subject. And we're not, because every day you wake up is something different. You know, one day a country do not recognize immunity, the next day they recognize it. So anyway, I'm gonna let you guys go and enjoy your Sunday. You can go to church, whatever you want to do, go out and have a good meal. I think we're gonna go and get on the ATV and go to this extreme park and ride around, me and my wife and my son and my daughter, and have a little, enjoy some of this sun, because I think it's gonna be maybe 60 something degrees today, and next week it's gonna drop back into the 30s. This is some crazy weather in Texas. Again, subscribe to my channel and have a great day.